Many people believe in guardian angels, with some feeling each person has one for day and another for night. While contacting these angels can be controversial, methods such as meditation and prayer are commonly used. You can identify your guardian angel by noticing reoccurring signs, like names or symbols. Additionally, specific angels are associated with particular birth dates, so you can check this connection to find your spiritual guide. Creating a sacred space or altar can enhance your ability to connect, and it's helpful to meditate in a quiet place, focusing on your breathing while inviting communication. Some also believe that deceased loved ones can act as guardian angels. Pay attention to subtle signs during your interactions, and always express gratitude at the end of your meditation.